It is undeniable that Binance has gained the attention from crypto traders all around the world and maintained its position to be one of the best crypto exchanges for many years. If you are a new trader and interested in this exchange, this video is for you. Today I will show you a detailed instruction on how to get the 2022 sign-up bonus on this exchange and how you can sign up and verify yourself to trade. Let's go! First, what you need to do is to go to our description box below and then click on the register link. And by doing that, you can get our referral code and enjoy 20% off our trading fees on Binance, plus a $100 bonus. Next, click on sign up with your phone or email here. Then this box will pop up and you need to choose the country where you live. So this should be the same as in your ID. And from here you will have two options. If you want to sign up just for you, then click on create personal account. But if it's for your business use, then you can choose entity account. Here I just use it for myself, so I click this. Next, enter your email and password of your choice. In the referral ID box, you can see our referral code has already been entered since you have used the link before. If not, you can just get the code in the description. Next, Binance will send you a verification code to your email, and you will have to open your email, copy the code and paste it back here. Then click on submit. Next, fill in your phone number and remember to choose your accurate area code. Click on next, then get code, and a verification code will be sent to your phone. You just need to copy and paste the code back here. And then submit. If you want to have more bonuses or to learn more about crypto, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to CoinF Master. Turn on the notification bell to always see our newest video. So in order to trade and get our exclusively hot $100 bonus, you will have to complete the Binance KYC or identity verification process. So on this page, click Verify Now. Then enter your national ID together with your full name and date of birth. And after you're done, just click on Continue. So here you will have to provide your address, postal code, and city. Then Continue. To verify yourself, you can choose between your ID card, passport, or driver license. Then click on Continue. Then you will have to take some pictures of your ID documents, including the front and back of your ID. So this step can be done on your laptop or PC if you have a webcam, or you can do it on your phone. I cannot afford a webcam, so I just go ahead and do it on my phone. You can see in the corner here is a yellow triangle, and you just want to click on it, and you will see a QR code to scan in order to do your KYC on your phone. So you just need to open the Binance app on your phone and then scan this code. On your phone, log in with your email and password that you have created earlier, and then complete the sliding puzzle. Then for login verification, you will have to verify by email and phone. Click on Send Code in each box, and a code will be sent to your phone and your email. Copy and paste the codes back on the page and click Submit. After logging in, you just click on the scan barcode icon at the top corner right here to scan the QR code on your computer. Then just go ahead and take pictures of your ID document. After you are done, click on Continue, and then you will be asked to take a picture of yourself. So Binance just want to check if you are who you are in your ID document. For the facial verification, just choose Start Verification, and basically you just have to do whatever the app tells you to do. And that's pretty much it. Now just go back to the website on your computer. Click on this to confirm that you have verified on your phone and wait for a few minutes. Take a break and Binance will check your KYC, and then when it is done, you will notify through your email like this. And congratulations, you are now a verified user on Binance. So as a reward for your work, you will receive a Binance KYC Mystery Box. You will just need to log into your Binance account and claim it. So this is a special program in 2022, so make sure to join right now. So here is the important part of this video: how to get a $100 Binance bonus. All you have to do is to go to this link that I have put in the description box below. Then you will get to this page here where you can read all about the steps and the tasks that you can do. And only by logging in and completing all of these simple tasks, you can easily get a bonus up to $100 together with many other cashback vouchers. Easy, right? If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto bonuses that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.